Let's continue. Now, how does the Amazon algorithm work? How does this order emerge when you type travel pillow? So there are 20,000 products, and what is the difference between these 20,000 and first place products? This difference is actually called sales velocity. That is the sales speed. The more sales you have, the more you will appear in the front. Here, the Amazon A9 algorithm makes a ranking in the word travel pillow, and this order is made by sales. Of course, there are other criteria, but the ranking criterion of the A9 algorithm with a rate of 60% is your speed of adding to the cart and selling. So the most important thing for you to be on the first page is that your sales are more than 60% compared to your competitors. The more sales you have, the more you rank in this keyword. Therefore, we will calculate the online sales figures and try to make sales as much as they can to reach the first pages and even enter the top 5 products. We will try to get Amazon's Choice Badge in this way through campaigns, or try to be among the top 3-5. So sales are the most important thing for us. The most important thing in Amazon's ranking criteria is of course the most important criterion for us. Of course, there are other criteria. Now let's say you will write this word. If the word travel pillow is not mentioned in your product title, descriptions, bullet points, and your keywords, it will be much more difficult for you to come to the first rankings. See how often these keywords appear in the listing. Where is it used in the product information? For example, this keyword you use in the title will bring you to the front. I have already explained that your main keyword should be used in the heading section. If the main keyword of your product, for example, is travel pillow, you see it in your competitors. The keyword travel pillow is in the forefront. The most important keyword of this product is probably travel pillow. Almost all of the leading ones have written the keyword travel pillow in this product. The biggest reason for this product to be in the first place in the travel pillow search is that this keyword is used in many places when listing the product, in the title, bullet points, that is, when listing the product. In the product listing, you should definitely use the keywords that you will bring your product to the first page, especially in the back-end keyword section. If you do not use it, you cannot be indexed in those keywords. It will also be very difficult for you to come to the first page. Your main keyword, for example, is travel pillow for this product. The main keyword is the keyword that have biggest search volume. We get ASINs of our 5 competing products from Cerebro, and our main keyword is the keyword that best describes our product, which is the most sought after volume. We try to use our main keyword in most places. We will try to use it abundantly in the title, bullet points, and in the description section. Even when loading our images, we make these keywords as the names of the images. It is also very important how close these keywords are. So, if you write these keywords separately, it will be more difficult for you to come to the first page of that keyword. I will make a detailed explanation about this subject soon. So what should be between the keywords? As I said, the most important part of Amazon A9 algorithm is sales. Another important part is relevancy. So your product is related to this product. For example, if people are looking for travel pillow, if you want to come to the first page with the keyword travel pillow, this should be your product, or it should be related. Also, many times this keyword should be in many places on your product list. Another concern for the Amazon algorithm is conversion rate. The conversion rate means that those who enter your product by the product, that is, if 100 people click and enter your product page, and by 10 people, your conversion rate is 10%. Here is the name of this conversion rate. Conversion rate is a very important criteria in the Amazon A9 algorithm. Amazon brings the products with the best conversion rate to the front. Therefore, you should definitely increase the conversion rates. Amazon brings the product with the best conversion rate to the forefront. So how do we detect relevancy? So is your product related to this keyword or irrelevant? How can you understand it? There is an easy way to understand this. Look, you write your ASIN in the search box at the top, plus you are writing which keyword you are interested in. For example, let's say you wrote ASIN plus reusable straws. If your product appears after typing it, it means that you have a product directly related to this keyword. This way you can understand the relevance. Let me briefly talk about how we will use these criteria in listing products. Of course, we use these keywords seriously when listing the products. I explained this in detail in the listing section. I explained in detail that we should do sufficient keyword analysis first, and then how to use these keywords in our title, bullet points, and in descriptions. Look here, I will briefly talk about something like this. Let's say you want to be at the forefront in the keyword reusable silicone straws. If this phrase is your target phrase, if it is your keyword, you should not use it by leaving a space between them in the title, bullet points, and descriptions. For example, this is a bad statement. These straws are reusable and made from silicone. As you can see, there are different keywords between them, and their order is not reusable silicone straws. You cannot come to first line with the keyword reusable silicone straws, as there are other keywords in between. There is a better example than this. Here, these reusable straws are high quality and made from silicone is written. Unlike the first one, we used the keywords reusable straws together, but the silicone remained below. It will be easy to rank with the keyword reusable straws, but in order to rank in the keyword reusable silicone straws, the rightmost description must be used. See the best statement, these reusable silicone straws are perfect for any tumbler. Look, there are no different words between them, and they are written together. That's why you should write this way to come to the front row with this keyword. If you write them in your distinct section on your product page in this way and pay attention to these while creating your list, you will come to the first place faster.